Welcome to our tutorial about the TabIndex property. First, let me demonstrate what this is. Let's go to Run My Program. See how the cursor flashes in the top left text box? It means this box is our focus. Now, after I type in this box, I want to be able to press the Tab key to get to the next box. But when I press the Tab key, instead of moving to the next box, the focus has jumped to the Compute button. I'll press the Tab key again and see what happens. Now the focus has jumped to the second text box. If I press the Tab key a third time, the cursor jumps to text box 3. Well, as you can see, this isn't exactly the optimal way for this user interface to work, so let's fix it. We'll select text box X and scroll down. Let's look at the TabIndex Property field. Our value is set to 0. The value 0 means that this is the first item in our form to receive focus after the form becomes active. This value is correct and doesn't need adjustment. Let's go to text box Y now. We're going to enter a value of 1 in the TabIndex Property field. Now we'll skip text box Z and go straight to the Compute button. The value for this TabIndex parameter should be 2, and that value is already populated here, as you see. Finally, text box Z. Now let's run our application and review its behavior. We'll press the Tab key, and again. Now the focus moves in the appropriate order. And this concludes our tutorial on the TabIndex property.